99% of restorations are just patchwork repairs. The boss sneers, not good enough. If you do it, do a complete rebirth. This is an epic of steel. Not for anything else, but for this proud passion. Follow the boss's perspective and see what true restoration really means. Pro, grab the tools. Let's strip this old machine completely. All screws must be sorted properly. So far only the exterior and interior are stripped. Does this already get your blood pumping? The engine and chassis will also be fully stripped. On-site monitoring. This 6.2 L beast below. Rear axle and fuel tank coming off next. Everything removed. Owner reports acceleration issues. Then we'll tear it down. this oil leak. Blame the previous shop's sloppy sealant job. Disassembly complete. All parts go through ultrasonic cleaning. Gearbox jerking and impacts. Also fully disassembled. Gearbox disassembly complete. Found excessive metal debris. Friction plates heavily worn. Clutch wear as well. Replace seals and burnt friction plates. Reassembly begins. Air tightness test. Clean remaining metal debris. Gearbox done. Next, the engine. One person, one engine. Assembly starts. Main reason for engine overhaul. Severe cylinder wall scoring. Luckily repaired in time. Cause identify. Original components reused. Bolts tightened. All bearings replaced. Engine assembly complete. The highest standard of classic restoration, full-body electrophoresis coating. Only this process can restore the car to its factory peak condition. A true transformation inside and out. First, degreasing. Remove oil and impurities from the body. Rinse off remaining chemicals. Surface conditioning. Optimize metal microstructure. Enhance coating adhesion. Ensure strong electrophoresis bonding. Key step before coating. Phosphating forms a dense crystal layer on the car body surface, creating strong anchoring effect for better paint adhesion. Final critical step. Driven by electric current. Negatively charged paint particles move toward the positively charged body and coat evenly. 360-degree full coverage. Sent into high-temperature oven, cured at 170 degrees Celsius, forming a hard, smooth protective layer. Nice. Front and rear axles fully disassembled. Fix rust issues. All chassis parts are sandblasted. After sandblasting, apply epoxy primer to improve corrosion resistance. Then apply chassis coating. Scratch resistant and durable. Restoration nearing completion. Original brake components. Front and rear axle restoration complete. Apply 3 meters underbody coating. Provides excellent protection. Wiring harness clean and restored. Special cleaning agent. Deep cleaning. Reroute wiring neatly. As usual, into the magic chamber. Sound insulation materials installed throughout. Mechanical components. Exterior and interior reassembly. Restoration complete.